Lloyd. Bathi naswalker bathi lo unyuwane Mr. Mashaba.
Yeah.
It's pause. I still have those pictures. I'm like, why you up?
Ufike ekhaya, you are free.
I'm free. Okay, governance. Yeah, governance yona iyahlupha kakhulu. It's more of a foundation of the team. Mthangala, sibiyele iphindze kube roofing. Ilo folder kasi ngakhathi kwethu. So yabo ukuthi kunzima kanjani. We got to create my rules within the team ukuthi yini lekumele kwendeke kakhulu siqiniseke nge-code of conduct.
Yeah.
Okonke lokho lapha code of conduct ifuneka kucace nje.
Yes. So kahle basically nizungezele team, making sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle. Nguva kahle sithanda sami. Sanibonani babukeli bami emakhaya. This is Lowveld Workers Podcast, and of course this is your host Rebecca Mdluli. Now today I am going to podcast this beautiful and amazing lady, a very active Lowveld Workers member, Nkosenhle Sithole. Now if you want to know who I'm talking about, do not scroll those gadgets. Tune in while I go and get Nkosenhle Sithole.
Talk and do, you never lie. Talk and do God, yeah, Jehovah. Talk and do, you never fail. Talk and do God, yeah, Jehovah. Talk and do, you never lie. Talk and do God, yeah, Jehovah.
Okay, my beautiful people, njengoba sengishilo ukuthi ngiyolanza seswethu sihle sifuna kwathi phela ukuthi kahle kahle who is she? Kunjani siswami?
Ngiyaphila sesami njani?
Ngiyaphila. Waze wafika kahle uphase we-team.
So team finally I'm here.
Finally you are here. Sihle, please tell bantu labangamazi Sihle ukuthi ungubani wakabani.
Okay, igama lami ngiyisihle ngakasithole from Ngabhokweni. I'm a proud Lowveld Workers member.
Wena na.
Nalo.
So ke my beautiful people, njengoba sekade ichazile sesi ukuthi ungiNkosenhle mara namhla ukhohlwe ukusitshela umnyaka wakhe, but it's fine.
Angifuni ngeminyaka.
Awufuni ngeminyaka wakho? Leli gama lakho lelinyeke lona? Awufuni nalo? Okay, siliyekele ke ngoba udoze ungibulale.
Lemadlodi Rebecca Nkosi.
Lemadlodi. Mara amadlodi ku right ukuthi angithi la ka Lowveld Workers promoter noma ngabe yini boza yami. La madlodi siyawafuna. Utolekelela gogo ngikwazi ukudobhelela la emgwaqweni.
Angisakwade lawo.
Yes, so tell me Nkosenhle, ufike njani la ekhaya ka Lowveld Workers? Ufike njani nje?
Okay. Ngihlanganene ma-posts on Facebook.
Okay.
I went through them, ngabuka ama-comments, labanye ba-commenta nokuthi bayithenza kanjani Lowveld Workers. And I was like, okay, why babe ma-workers? Are they just walking? Bayoka bafunani?
Yeah.
Boring. And then naku sesami lamkasi. Ngiyambona nayo postile kuma WhatsApp statuses. I'm like, kwenzakalani la? Uthi mina futhi wena uyathanza into tokulo yato exercise.
Yeah.
She join.
Yes.
Ngathi nendani lapho. Nendani khona lapho ka Lowveld Workers. Uthi siyawoka ngithi nifoka nifunani? Ngihamba niyaphi? Uthi siyawoka nje zimane ma-water points nani. Ngiyafuna lokuyijoina but nginaloko ukuthi angangitshela ukuthi ngijoin man.
Yeah.
Ngijoina mase ngifuna.
Ngesikhathi sakho.
Isikhathi sami yangade
Nganje nengani ngayo.
Bahamba amalanga ngabiyela kuye futhi. Ngambuta ukuthi this week uyaya wathi yangiyaya. Ngathi oh okay. Instead of ukuthi ngikhulume naye ngithi ngizawenza ama-transport. Yeah. Naloko ukuthi ngifuna ukufikela. Angisafuni ukucela kaningi. Ngathola lethatha le number lapha kuposta ngayifonela. Mashaba loyo. Okay. Ngifuna transport. Anginamoto phela mina. Yeah. Athi nginike inamba ya Def ngikhulume na Def ngifake etaxini. Kanjalo ngayofika.
Lamkasi bekakuke lapho.
Lamkasi ngathekazanga ayasimday. Nje why? Oh why sasihlangana phambili. Sesi happy kakhulu. Finally you are here mara vele ngayadi ngaye lamkasi kakhulu. Yeah.
I'm so glad so ku Lowveld Workers, tell me wafika nini Sihle, because as of it now unetikhundla sis, unetikhundla ufike nini ka Lowveld Workers uthola usezintweni kangaka?
I joined Lawful Locals 2023 October.
Where?
Yeah, I remember.
When we bully.
Besuka eRiverside siye Akeso. Yeah, it was a cancer when I was, yeah. It was nice. I enjoyed. Bathi nasoka bathi lo nyuwale Mr. Mashaba.
Yeah.
It's pause. I still have those pictures. I'm like, why you up?
Ufike ekhaya, you are free. Utithole so free nje unguwe. No, ngiyakuva sithandwa sami. So Sihle, as I've mentioned earlier ukuthi ku-Lawful Workers you've got unetikhundla Lonado uyi-head of ambassadors. Uyini wena futhi lokunye? Heart of Lawful Workers.
You know the story,
you know? Yeah, that's what she calls herself, by the way, the Heart of Lawful Workers. Mara akanamanga guys ngoba ukhona yonke lenzawo. Yayibona. Podcast, head of ambassadors, governance, media, ay girl. Kwenza ngani?
I think it has to do with the nikela the team.
The commitment that you have.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't promise. When are you committing?
I commit with everything I have. I commit.
Yeah. Bully you commit.
When it's come to bully, I love it. The fact that
yeah.
As much as nginibhulishela kusinento lokho right. Ngani Lawful Workers ngathi siguquka sonke sibe masana. So if kungabi nalomunye ngathi isandla sokuthi
yeah. So Sihle, tell me about umsebenzi wakho waka governance. Yini umsebenzi we-governance lapha government nenzani lapho?
Rules and regulations. Okay, governance. Yeah, governance yona yahlupha kakhulu. It's more of a foundation of the team. Mthangala, sibiyele phinze kube roofing. Lawful Workers ngakhathi kwethu. So yabo ukuthi kunzima kanjani. We got to create my rules within the team ukuthi yini lekumele kwendeke kakhulu siqiniseke nge-code of conduct.
Yeah.
Okonke lokho lapha code of conduct ifuneka kucace nje.
Yes. So ahlahle basically nizungezele team, making sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle. Nguva kahle sithandwa sami. How are you finding that job?
I'm not gonna lie. It's challenging. Ngoba aniva. Aniva shem. But at the same time, angathi ukuthi ngothi mina ngithole njani ngeka governance, because at first nabanginika leyo msebenzi I was like I'm not going to be able to manage la.
Yeah.
The way mina nginenhloko ngicine ngakhona, like if umuntu enda something wrong benginalo ukuthi into ethi akahamba amuke lo, because governance and compliance we do have lendo leyo ukuthi
sinamagunya okucosha nje uthi Rebecca sesigciniwe nguwe mani hamba.
Uma ukuthi wena awendi kahle vele sikubhalela phansi. Yeah, so mara ngiyalo sengiyakuthanda sengiyakhona asengide moya ukuthi umuntu ngingamcosha. Ekuqaleni I think I had to do with ngifuna ukabuse lesikhundla. Mara ngiyalo sengiya-understanda yonke into, umuntu nakende something wrong ngiyakhona kuhlala naye phasi ngisibuke yasilungise. Sonke sila ngoba sifuna something like sifuna kuthula. So wena do you really want to go home ngenxa yokuthi wende something wrong? So ngcono ukuthi sibuyisane. Yeah.
Okay. I see. Siyabonga ukuthi umoya wakho sowunaye Jehova phakathi. Lawful Workers uyakuletha. Kancane yavela. So tell me again, the other one, head of ambassadors, how are you finding that one?
Head of ambassadors, nakhona lapho ke it was challenging at first, but manje seku-right ngoba siyakhona kusebenzisana njenge brand ambassadors, despite the fact that I'm a head. Mara nabo lalabanye labakhona sebayasebenta like bayawenda umsebenzi wabo. Akusekho hard for me nami ngiyakhona sengiyakhona ukurelax nini nje definitely ngivese kathutha labanye like abafaka enzaweni, and that was good. Yeah, like ngiba proud ngibe like
they don't have to wait for me, they must do this.
Okay, no umsebenzi wami. I see them like ngiyabathatha ama brand ambassadors ethu aya-comply ayenda lukahle, so
you are happy.
I'm happy ngani.
Coming to the one Lulu ngathi leyo ngiyathi uyayithanda ke le media.
Okay.
Yeah, you taking pictures. Say kancane podcast because podcast ugijimisa abantu.
Podcast angiyithandi. Seriously, podcast angiyithandi. Angathi
But why?
as much as ngingayithandi ngakhona, I don't know. Ngathi lamandla lenginawo lesengisele nawo ka-podcast ngakungetela wona wena because I can tell you love this thing kakhulu and indaba kakwenza head of podcast mahhala. You love it and it runs within your veins like ngathi ngayipha wena Rebecca there are times la ngibona khona ukuthi no mina amandla amaphelile. Ngihambe ngithola ukuthi sengiyehlinge white river ngasiyohlangana nemuntu angitshela ukuthi akasekho like le thando lami leselisele kancane kangaka le podcast
Ivele zero.
That's why I mean nje if bengitendela bengitoti iraba nginike wena you deserve it.
Unfortunately, yeah. Unfortunately for you, awuyindawo.
Nasekhuluma mkhathi so emva kokuthi ngikuphakamise kangaka.
Ngiyabonga, thank you so much. I really appreciate what you are saying to me, but awuyindawo. They're taking pictures, videos, parts. How are you finding that job? Bantu baya comply now. How are you finding that job?
It's so refreshing. It's so refreshing. Ngiyakuthanza kakhulu lokho ke nje kubona abantu baba happy nabantu ohlangana nami baphoze bento konke lokho. I'm like okay.
Yeah.
We are doing something lehle lebayithanzayo.
Yeah.
And then wabona ama shot. Loyo akayidluli camera.
For ini.
Like ngivele ngihleke nakachamuka le ngivele ngibuke ngithi okay.
Azabe ready azilungise.
Yeah, umbathi
athi yima kancane.
Yima right. I'm like okay. Those are the kind of people labangene ngiyithanda kakhulu. So then it comes to videos, Rebecca anihlali phasi niyaphapha.
Siyafana.
Kuvele kube ngilongo nje nangimele sojayiba TikTok. I'm like why not?
You know, we are freeing our spirits, man. Field workers. We are happy.
We are happy, very happy. Ayibo.
Yes,
ayenzabo mina.
But guys,
lona inkinga utohamba yena.
Tohamba yena ngithi njengoba ngisho sa ku podcast awuyinzawo. By the way guys, phela namuhla angathi bathini podcast, i-podcaster, i-podcasty.
Okay.
Gubi. Today is today. Elamanyawo. No, Sandra, ngiyeva ukuthi you are enjoying kakhulu lapha yana ku media. Yes, I also love it a lot because labanye bazapha manike jump and that is so amazing. It's so refreshing ukuthi kunemuntu lo happy lo funaze uyathi kuthini manje singikuphozele kahle. You know, we love that a lot even though bakhona labanye nje laba
umuntu athi vale ngekepisi. I'm like okay, that's you. Unakungubo uyi-1, it's fine, you can go. Bayenda boma shot.
Uyayiva ke ngoku?
Yangiva njani?
Ngiwuva kahle la ukhona.
Yeah.
I love so ngiyakova Sinhle ujoyine i-Lowveld Workers Cancer Awareness Day, which is I can see you're a very bright girl, so my colors were very bright.
Yes.
So I need to know what is it the work that you love the most or ikhona lo ithanda the most, and do you have any reason for that?
Ngiyawathanda onke kodwa when it's come to color work, freeing our spirit.
Yes.
I love that one. Ngoba siguquka sibe maswane phela sithelane ema paint sibe happy nje, you know, you get to forget everything.
Yes.
Because we are going through a lot.
Kakhulu.
Just walk lapha but simemile. So when they say free your spirit, jump siyendeni kumnandi. I love that one, because it's not specifically for something. You are freeing your spirit towards or you're freeing your spirit towards rape or something.
Yes.
It's just
freeing.
Yeah. Yeah, I love that one.
No, I must say I love that one as well. For no reason. I love it.
Rebecca ngasushota ngapink.
Yeah,
I'm telling.
Yeah, kumbula skipper sama sengiswasha sisatha. That
was something else.
Oh, but it's a fun walk indeed.
Yeah.
So, Sandra, we had a long walk to freedom, I'd like to call it. Our trip to Mozambique, Swaziland, which was wow, okay, all right. Silapha yake ngoku.
Phakathi.
No, sebayabona ukuthi bophakathi inside uyile. So Sinhle, tell me about leyo 500 kilometers. Well, we all know hamba 500 wena ngithi usigebengu. Tell me about it and what was the reason for you not ukuthi uyihambe yonke le journey?
Okay. At first Vele nje, not at first. All in all, I didn't want to attend the whole 12 days because bengitshela ukuthi angeke ngikhone ukuhlala. I'm not used. Ukuthi ngihlala nabantu abaningi isikhathi leside, even 2 days for me kuningi nje kuhlala so ngase ngicabanga 12 days. Hayibo, kufana 2 weeks. Mhlawumbe nani ni 60, 64. Angeke. It's too much. So ngavele ngathini yenti excuse ngathi ngidonithola phambili. And then nganilandzela nganithola sense Swaziland. Fike Swaziland first day ngathi sola ukuthi bengiseleleni. Yo, it was nice. Yeah, enjoy every part of it.
Yes.
Yize nje bekuba nema challenges
lapho nalapho, of course, vele manisekuhambeni kuba ngako lokho. Yeah, so you basically had fun. Usatophinza ushaya ama shortcut?
I doubt.
because we are going to Zimbabwe now.
Yes.
Yeah. Ufuna kuyithatha yonke noma usafuna
nacabanga sohamba how many days? Awusiyayibuka le.
Ngathi babethu ufuna ku-eda kulo 500. Mhlawumbe taba ngi-14 days or 16.
Mara kona ngiyaya nedi ngingadi ukuthi ngitoyijubela njani ukuthi ngingahambi wonke la kilometers.
Asijubile so in the plan phambili.
But kona lokusalako ngila ngiyakhona.
Siyakhona. Bamashaba kaboni ukuthi vacation for us leya.
Like
siyahamba.
Bengoya nini ezimi?
Nini sana?
Ngoyendani?
Nini? Uthi uyofuna bani la kulahlekele khona ngala? We love you Baba Masha.
We love you so much. I understand.
Yathi kuthini? We are going there. So ngiyakuva ke sithanda sami, indeed we are still continuing ama long walks wethu. So Sihle, tell me, how are you finding Ilofeld Workers since you joined ngo October, right?
Yes.
How are you finding Ilofeld?
Oh,
wow. So when birthday yakho ni anniversary yakho Ilofeld Workers is October. Kunje. Ungawari stop tela ngamandi la nependi. Sisi enjoy color. I enjoy color muzi. Yeah. So tell me, Sandra, how are you finding it? Do you feel Ilofeld Workers ilab kumele ibe khona la office ukuthi ngaba khona, or do you feel it's ngaqedwa kancane, or you like, oh my goodness, let him, it's a massive team iyahamba?
It is a massive team iyahamba, it's going places. I feel like ikhule kakhulu kunaloku besicabanga.
Yeah,
judging from when I joined Ilofeld Workers and up to nyalo the team yakhula, you'd swear ukuthi khona into lesibabita ngayo bantu bagcwele. Sometimes asikhona nokuba nelisa kwema fruits. We find ourselves cutting apples because bantu baningi and it's sijwayele ukuthi sibancane.
Uyayibona
But nje ayishem mina ngiyibona iletulu and ihamba kahle. Uma singachubeka ngalendlela le, I'm telling you, we are going far. We are going far. Njengoba asho sisami Sihle ukuthi sivele sibe baningi sitholakala sesikhatha namafutha. By the way, Ilofeld Workers works on a zero budget. So wona la ukhona khona mawufila ngathi one Saturday nje awuthi ngike ngithi kulabantu laba ngamandi ngama fruits, yabona mina sihlahla sami sinama mangoes or sinama apples or whatever. We appreciate,
would appreciate that. We would really appreciate that because we are indeed growing and we are working on a zero budget. So we'd love that if you'd give us something.
Yes.
So darling, duwe muntu lohledi lapha ekhaya ngigogo ngomkhulu ngibabe ngimake ngitikoloshi. Uthini mara? Uthini longaka join Ilofeld Workers?
Gogo nawe mkhulu nawe bhuti nawe sisi nawe tikoloshi ekhaya ngithi walala wasala. Angathi uzilenzeni ngoba lana asigcine ngokuwalka nje singathi ukuthi sokhani, as you guys say. La sithola impilo lenze, we get to exercise, sila healthy, basi sinema wholesomeness groups, basiniketa kuma meal plans for weekly, like la kunempilo lethe. Angathi ukuthi nilenzeni nina lenisela. Angathi nje cha
mababuye nje bayekele nje lento yabo ukuthi bathi niyaphi siyaphambili
ninzinzani nisola niyithole lento lenifuna. I get that a lot.
I also get that a lot. Hey, but until you join us, you will never understand. So why not give it a try? Just give it a try. Ute nje ushaye ngabomu ukuthi utonda 2.5 kilometers noma u5 ke utobona. You'll see angeke uphinze ufune kuleli move.
Nami phela ngafika ngithi ngicela nami ngafika ngithi ngitolinga amanzi. Mangithi ngifaka linyawo lathi
shobe Yeah, no, Sandra Sam, thank you so much. So, I'm gonna ask you a lot of questions, but I want to pay it away. Yeah, ngifuna ungitshele ngale wholesomeness desk nebantu labangathi ukuthi what desk is that lidume ngani. Please tell people ukuthi sendani lapha kule tafula that Tuesday.
Yeah. When it comes to my Tuesdays, yo kuvele kube mnandi kakhulu because thina labafana nami labavela lapha njengami bavuke impilo yabo belula.
Yeah.
Come to cooking. Angifuneki ngize ngicabange ukuthi namhla ngohlanganisa ini nani ngivele ngiye lapha ngokucheck ukuthi okay namhla sidla amancondo rice. Fine ngiyenda njalo. Angisadidiyeli.
Yeah.
Manje ngihlala nabo babuze ukuthi namuhla amancondo.
Sifelani.
Kusho njalo kalo feel phansi. Ngiyangibuka ukuthi njani.
Exactly.
I want to keep this body. So like wholesomeness desk is doing a very amazing job and siyafisa kwangathi bangahlala bangapheli mandla.
Yeah.
We really appreciate their work. Siyanibona
guys. Nami nje namhlanje mangivuka ekseni ngiyabonga futhi ukuthi nisende ekseni kakhulu namuhla. Ngithema ngithi yathi ebusweni bami bathi in the morning before 10 o'clock drink water, coffee or tea. Ngathi waza hayi ke ngathi come water, in fact ngathi warm water.
Yeah.
Yes. Kwashaya 10 lokho umntwana kwangincisha kudla kwathi ngichube ngidudla ngo1. Zalana sinambona. So sithanda lapha ekhaya sinomthetho kunento lesingathandi ukuthi ihlalendekwa silahlekelwa ama members or ama members alahlekelwa imindeni yawo. We don't really love that, but how are you finding the latafula leliphethe letindo letweni? How do you feel ngelo field workers support yayo towards bantu?
Lelo angasho ngithi litafula leli baluleke kakhulu. As much as akhona onke amatafula abalulekile but lelo libaluleke kakhulu nabo sesgrace basida ngemithandazo mikhuleko nokuhamba bavakashele emakhaya lalahlekelwe nanoma kungasasingibo kuphela label desk yonke but ngangibo labaphethe
yes
and the fact that if kunemuntu wethu loshonele noma singesize sikhona kuya but siyakhona kuphosa esivezaneni we have that certain amount ukuthi mangukuthi remember lishonelwe miyeni sikhipha kona mangukushonele umntwana sikhipha kona makushone yena sikhipha kona nje lokuthi sibadudude nako basale nalo ukuthi lofel sibonile supportile kanjani
ngiyabona.
Yeah, we really appreciate him nabo benda umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu.
We respect you. We salute you guys. Well, this is Lowfield for you, guys. Lowfield workers. Ienda gonge. We go all out. Uyagula siyabanyanyisa apha esibhedlela futhi Robs nase medical clinic abasasifuni. Kodwa what I like is nasithama bathi whoa ningaki sizosebenza so because they know. Because they understand ukuthi labantu bayathandana no matter how much we would try to stop them they will not stop. So sidobayekela. So we love that kakhulu ngeLowfield workers. No, Sandra Sami, thank you so much for making time for this podcast. I really appreciate you. I believe ukuthi nyalo bantu sebayamati sihle ukuthi sihle ungubani onkosenhle sithole. Yes, aka sihle. Yes, guys. So Sandra Sami ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungendele lesikhathi ngipodcast finally. Sehla senyuka sifunana singatholani ku busy.
Yathi busy.
Ish.
And singama 1-1 kona kuningi.
Yathi sibancane futhi. Kuningi.
Ngiyabonga nje.
You respect me angithi? My beautiful people. Singakhuluma nalo sisi lo lishone ilanga as you know mina naye vele la sikhona yakubona so lingashona impela but for now sithanda ukuthi sibeke khona la siyayixoxa la ke lezozo bathi ke this coming Saturday stobe siselanga mall. Which route are we taking? We're taking Kapsel yeah Kapsel something there yeah yes when nje nga 5:30 ungazulahlwe ngimna sihle make sure ukuthi uselanga mall stobe senda i-Cancer Relay. Cancer Relay together sibambisane ne-Basco. So you don't want to miss out lana, and also you want to bring your kids because yazi kunento ngathi yangihlebela endlebeni ukuthi hey kutobe kunezinto letinhle for our kids khona kuzobe kwenzeka for bantwana bethu.
Spider-Man and Barbie girls.
Exactly ndibethaba Cocomelon. We are ready for them this coming Saturday, guys. So ke thina siyanithanda kakhulu, guys. Asibonaneni this coming Saturday at Ilanga Mall at 5:30. Mina nasihle sithi #don't promise commit. More than just a walking team. This is Lowveld Walkers Podcast, and of course, this is your host, Rebecca Ndlili, signing out. But I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at Ilanga Mall, 5:30. Together with Basco, we will be doing the Cancer Relay Walk in the purpose of raising funds towards cancer research and honoring the affected ones and celebrating the survivors. Now, mina nawe asihlangane khona ekuseni ungadibambeleli, it's gonna be very much fun. So, asihlangane Ilanga Mall at 5:30 ekuseni. #Mpumalanga's finest walking team. #mind, body and soul. #don't promise commit. See you soon.
Talking to God, yeah, Jehovah. Who's a talking to? He never fails. Talking to God.